Currently, we operate 4 weekly flights and will continue to operate the same 4 frequency weekly on A320 fleet, 320, 321, and we hope to increase it in the future. Well, the biggest news is that we got an A330 to operate long-haul flights. So we are going to operate Bucharest to New York direct flights from 7th of June. That's the biggest news for us. And I can add that today is exactly 3 years when we started the operation. It's exactly 3 years that we had our first commercial flight. Well, Bergamo is very good situated in north of Italy, where there are big communities of our citizens from Moldova and from Romania. So that's a good destination to catch the entire area.